Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm Bagger Don at Stock Market Caddy. Today is Sunday at about 10 a.m., October 27th, and you are looking at a trading scorecard from last week. And no, it is not my scorecard. It is Scott's scorecard. And who is Scott? Well, I'm going to maintain his privacy. He is in the beginning stages of Q School. And this is what he traded and did last week. Let me show you. It was on the 24th, the 25th, and the 25th. He traded the NQ. He was trading the C-point strategy from Stock Market Caddy, and I'll show you in a moment. On the 24th, he had 21 trades, 16 winners, 5 losses. Average winner 517.76, average loser 258.90. His win-loss ratio 76%. His gross profit 8,284.10. His gross loss 1,294.50 for a net of nearly $7,000. And what is this? That noise in the background, by the way, is Abby playing with her toys. Profit factor of 6.4. He made $6.40 for every dollar expended. Now that you've got the drill, let's just cut to the chase. On the next day, what does he do? He nets just about $3,000, half of what he did the day before. But check out the profit factor, 60. He made $60 for every dollar he expended. Although he made less money here, he traded exceptionally well. In fact, he traded exceptionally well all of last week, in particular on this day. For his entire weekly total, and he did quit early. He got done what he needed to get done. 32 trades, 25 wins, 7 losses, average winners, average losers, the win-loss ratio, the profit factor, gross loss, the net, $10,000, profit factor, 8.44. Now, in fairness, Scott does come to us with trading experience. He does. But he was doing something that he hadn't done before, by his own words. And we're still turning the onion back or inside out. We're going to be showing Scott and Darian more and more as they go through the Q School. If you are out there and you're interested in getting a scorecard, a blank scorecard like this, let me know and I'm happy to send you one. Hopefully you're keeping score. If you're keeping score with this kind of detail, you are going to know what is working, what isn't working. And you're going to have the tool set to go in and make course corrections. How many greens are you hitting? How many fairways are you hitting? How many sand saves? That sort of thing. Now, we can send you a blank scorecard, but it'll be up to you to fill it, and up to you to fill it with success. If you want to learn how Scott is doing this and others, and Darian's going to be right there. He also had a positive profit factor last week. We're happy to accept you into the Q School. And because of the hurricane, we ended up taking our month off, a kind of unwarranted month off. It feels like a month. We were offline for about 10 days. So we are accepting Q School students into the end of the year, if you're interested. Once again, I'm Bagger Don at Stock Market Caddy. Now, I promised you a view of the chart that he was using in the tools. Let me show you. Now, his screen would have looked a little like this. In fact, there's a couple of other tools that you can't see, but let me show you what's on the screen. First part of the screen is the Swing Machine Plus. He'll have this up above, and he'll have it with the time settings that are most comfortable to him. And let's expand this chart. And he'll also have the C points themselves, the brick value, the trend caddy, the 4 caddy, and the divergence as well as the swing points. Once again, folks, I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. We can buy and sell and buy stocks, ETFs, options, futures. There's one commodity. It's not really a commodity. It's precious. It's the most valuable asset there is. Time. We can't sell it. We can't buy it. We can't make it. We can't produce it. But we can waste it. We're ready when you are. Have a great rest of the weekend and have a great trading week, everyone. Scott, thank you. You're off to great things.